Hi guys, my name is Jamaican Tales, and I just want to welcome you to my channel. If you're new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out and keeps the channel growing. On here, I share stories that are real, powerful, and sometimes even emotional. Stories that you can learn from and connect with. Some will make you laugh, some might touch your heart, but each one has a message in it for somebody out there. So I'd love for you to check out the videos. Leave a comment and let me know your thoughts, because your feedback means a lot. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell too, so every time I drop a new story, you'll be the first to know. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for supporting my channel. And trust me, there are plenty more amazing stories coming your way. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.